I am a flight crew for Malaysia Airlines Berhad. So when the COVID-19 crisis hit air transport, the whole aviation industry was affected by that. So I've decided to start a new business from home, which is Japanese food. So today I would like to show you all one of my best seller menu from my business, and you guys can follow me from Instagram. It's Caribbean Sushi. I will return it down here later on. So it's a Caribbean Sushi by Julia J. Hiyori. So let's get started.